Look at him. Thinks he's hiding. Not hiding, I gotta take his back. I just got them out, but they're a bit scared. Trying to get them a bit more used to getting touched. Look at them. All hiding out. Here, you little marsupials. Look all the way back there. What are you doing? I'll take you back. Hey? How are you going to be our friend if we don't touch you? Oh. Look at you, you're so handsome.
I think that's going to be a girl or boy. I think most of these are boys. I think most of these are girls, and one of them are boys.
Them two. Oh, your little buddies. They're your little buddies.
I didn't know that they can fly, Pop.
They can't really. You're saying it didn't fly the best.
But it flew high, didn't it?
A little bit high for a little bird. Oh, they're so adorable. We could make budgie pie. Yummy, yummy, yummy budgie pie. These two are acting like they're dead. They're like, oh my God, there's a giant here. And the giant keeps touching us. Help, help. Yeah, I'll hide these two just so you don't feel so scared.
I'm so scared of my game.
These two. Oh, that's how your little mate's claw got caught before. And that's what happened last time. Yeah, give me, come. This one looked like a little creature off the Dark Crystal last time. Oh, look at the little blue dots on its cheeks. See this little blue dot?
Yeah.
It's adorable. It's so fluffy. So warm. Wants you to protect him. I better take them back to their mum.
Before their mum starts getting worried.
Oh, before they get too scared. They're puffing a bit. We gotta buy them some treats. So he's a bit worried, he's a bit puffy, a bit stressed out, hey? Big giant's got ya. You just haven't really been out your nest box, have you? Your beautiful little patterns. Hello. Okay, let's go. Let's put you back then. Okay, say bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. You're getting snuggled in there. Okay. See ya.